SATO starts at your worksite to power change in the world. We strive to create a future where prosperity and sustainability exist in harmony. This is the story of the ceaseless creativity of the people who work at SATO. By the 1970s, U.S. supermarkets began to create point-of-sale systems. Having already made a name for ourselves with our handheld labeler, SATO exhibited at a trade show in Dallas, Texas in 1973. This experience strengthened our resolve to perfect the world's first handheld labeler for POS systems. Right away, SATO sent for products with barcodes printed in the U.S. and rushed to put together a prototype of such a handheld labeler, which he then took to the U.S. Having a prototype in hand helps sales talks go smoothly, and SATO committed to having a finished product within 1 year's time. By 1974, as promised, our rigorous research and experimentation culminated in the creation of the world's first handheld labeler for use with POS systems. The new product was met with acclaim from all over the world. We began taking part in projects to establish these new payment systems in Japan in 1975. SATO's efforts in this field helped establish the widespread use of the barcode in Japan. The dawn of the 80s saw a turn toward the digital, and barcodes were being used in POS systems. POS systems in Japan, however, remained behind the times. SATO had built its business around hand labelers for POS systems, but in doing so, we learned the limitations of raising barcode printing quality. We also found that thermal printers from our competitors had issues with faint printing as well. SATO decided to invent a totally new printer with printing quality optimized for barcode reading. What we finally arrived at was an altogether new method of printing called thermal transfer, using a carbon ribbon to print on regular paper. In 1981, these efforts resulted in SATO unveiling the world's first thermal transfer barcode label printer, the M2311. These printers were a huge hit because thermal transfer printing met needs of barcode legibility, including print quality and durability. Soon these expanded into areas far beyond supermarkets. Then in 1989, SATO put the future of its entire barcode printing business on the line when we developed the M4800 industrial printer. Its combination of durability, superior operability, and ease of maintenance led to adoption in industrial fields, becoming a fixture in factories as well. An invention born from one realization brought clarity in an era of confusion. As the times change, SATO finds new ways to power change in the world from the worksite.